Now we're gonna save the new data. In order for you to save the data, you need to save Python file in the same folder that contain your raw data. So you need to save this file right here in this folder. So I saved this file here in this folder that contain my raw data. In order for me to save the data, save the raw data after I clean it and drop the NA, now we're going to export our pandas data frame to a new CSV file by doing the following: df.to underscore CSV open, and then we're gonna give a new name for this file. I'm gonna name it as a clean data, and then index false. Then I'm gonna print out the data type, print df.dtypes. Now, if you run the code, you will see a new file added to this folder under clean data. Ready? So you're gonna hit Control B and take a look here at the folder. You will see a new CSV file created. I'm gonna hit Control B. See right here, clean data. It's being created. And at the same time, we show the data type for each column. I'm gonna just scroll up. So make, it's object, fuel type object, aspiration object, number doors object, float, integer, and so on. So we're gonna change them, modify them as well in the next videos. But for now, we are done. We just save the file and display the data type.